Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is ready. Charge it above 20% and turn off battery saver so changes apply. Next, open settings and go straight to home screen or display. Some Infinix versions hide layout controls there. While you're in settings, check the launcher name so you know whether it's the Infinix default or a third-party launcher. This matters because the next steps differ. Once done, keep the settings page open and prepared for permission or toggle changes. You now look for a specific lock home screen toggle inside home screen settings and disable it. That directly releases widget and icon movement. If the option isn't present, change the launcher. Install a stable launcher like Nova or Launchair and set it as default home. Make sure you grant required permissions, storage, and drawover apps, because without those, the launcher can't save or move items. Once the launcher is active, try moving an icon to confirm the layout is unlocked. Finish by saving and applying changes. Press Home, arrange icons, then long press blank space to set grid and save. After that, reboot the phone to ensure the system recognizes the change. If icons remain fixed, reset home preferences in app settings or clear the launcher app cache and data. Be aware clearing data resets layouts. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the launcher. If problems persist, note any system UI updates and try a safe mode boot to rule out interfering apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.